In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete Telegram account. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Telegram app and then right here at the bottom right, tap on Settings. Then here, tap Add Privacy and Security. And then scroll down for a bit, and here you have to find automatically delete my account. Now it says if away for 12 months, I can tap here, and now I can select 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, year, or delete account. Now I can tap here at delete account now. It brings me to alternative options. Now I can scroll down for a bit and then tap on delete my account. Here it says that you will lose access to all your saved messages as well as all messages, media and files from your chats. Here you can tap on come back later or tap on continue to delete your account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.